Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Question and answer number 19, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: what role does sacred scripture play in the church? Answer: the church draws her life and strength from sacred scripture. Besides the presence of Christ in the Holy Eucharist, there is nothing that the Church honors more reverently than Christ's presence in sacred Scripture. At Holy Mass, we receive the Gospel standing because in the human words we hear God Himself speaks to us. Thus, the mystic and founder of religious orders, Saint Francis of Assisi, said, "To read sacred scripture means to turn to Christ for advice." God bless you.